Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and system updates. This avoids driver issues later. Once done, power off the Xbox, plug the Honeycomb Yoke into a direct USB port, and then power on the console so it can detect the device. Make sure cables are seated. Loose connections cause intermittent input. You want the console to enumerate the yoke before launching software because that step initializes axes and buttons. If the yoke has a firmware tool, note it for the next step. Now you move to calibration and mapping, which is where precision is made. Open the flight sim and verify that pitch, roll and other axes register in the controller inputs menu. The game must see full deflection. Then use the simulator's calibration or the console's input tools to set center and endpoints. This reduces drift. Next, assign buttons and switches to primary flight functions and tweak sensitivity and dead zones so movement feels natural. Make sure to save the profile for future sessions. Finish by running a quick test flight to confirm trim, autopilot, and instrument responses behave as expected. This reveals any remaining calibration issues. Make sure the yoke is securely mounted and cables routed to avoid tugging. Physical strain often causes dropouts. If the console fails to recognize the yoke, power cycle the Xbox and yoke, try a different USB port or cable, and check for firmware updates from Honeycomb. That single troubleshooting tip, swap port/cable then power cycle, fixes most connection problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.